Hey, good morning. This is Paul Reno with Asheville Dent Repair. We are here today repairing this Chevy Colorado from hail damage. If you're in the Asheville, Highlands, Cashiers, any area outside or around Asheville, I just want you to know that we are here to help you getting your vehicle restored back to its factory condition. What we do is Paintless Dent Repair, which is an innovative process that involves removing the dents by pushing the metal out from the back side. This means no paint, no Bondo, no mismatched colors. Get your vehicle repaired in typically 2 to 3 days turnaround time. As you can see here, we've removed this hood to get better access to it and also give us a 360-degree view to make sure that your hood is repaired from all directions. We're very good at removing the headliner and reinstalling everything and not having any traces that we worked on your vehicle. It'll be just like it was prior to the hail hit. All of our vehicles that we repair, we offer a lifetime warranty on everything that we touch to make sure that your vehicle is returned to you just as good as it was before the hail damage. Don't settle for less. Choose the proven experts who make your car look like it never happened. You can call today or visit AshevilleDentRepair.net to fill out an online form or give us a call at 828-475-5806. Thank you very much.